Good morning and welcome to Morning Markets. Today we're going to focus on Trump's first full day in office and how stock markets have responded. Yesterday was Donald Trump's first full day in office and markets were somewhat jittery given that on Monday evening he said that he could put tariffs on Canada and Mexico, 25% increase as early as next week. Fortunately for markets, there were no new announcements in terms of tariffs. So attention was all on Donald Trump and his pen, where, as expected, he started to sign executive orders. There are a wide range of priorities, really ranging from a ramp up in US oil production or energy production to cutting regulations. Trump declared national emergency, providing him the authority to reduce environmental restrictions and increase energy production. He withdrew from the US from the Paris climate deal, ended electric vehicle mandate, and suspended new federal offshore wind licensing. So despite all these announcements, stocks actually moved notably higher in the US but also globally, and we saw a rally within bond markets, and that was just predominantly due to the lack of new news on tariffs. Stocks also got an additional boost, particularly those within tech, from the announcement that there'll be a joint venture between SoftBank, Oracle and OpenAI, who have committed to $100 billion of investment into AI infrastructure. This is expected to rise from $100 billion to up to $500 billion over the next 4 to 5 years. So a significant commitment and show of support towards Donald Trump and the emerging AI technology. Also grabbing headlines at the minute is corporate earnings. We're going through the fourth quarter of earnings results from all the major companies within the US, but also globally. We heard from Netflix after trading had finished yesterday. They reported a 16% increase in revenue growth. This was one of the biggest since 2021. And they're really benefiting from a surge in subscribers. You can see here on the chart the quarterly subscribers that Netflix have gained over the last couple of years, and it's really noticeable just the increase that we've seen in the fourth quarter, 18.9 million new subscribers. So this is the biggest quarterly subscribers that they've witnessed, and that's really helping to drive revenue growth. Despite more subscribers, they are also looking to put up prices for US customers, expecting to increase the price by 16% as well, but also putting up the prices for advertisers for their low-cost advertising plan. So expectations are that the company will continue to grow their revenues, their profitability, and therefore their stock price last night was up over 15% in after trading hours. That's everything from us today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.
This video is not a recommendation or personal financial advice. With investing, your capital is at risk. Investments can fluctuate in value, and you may get back less than you invest.